have the perfect t-shirts that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing this 3-pack of this distressed vintage style t-shirt. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size large, and as you can see, it fits great. I could also fit into a medium, but I wanted the large because this is the oversized style, and I thought that it would really give me that skater look that I was going for. Now, check out the details in this shirt. I ended up getting the gray, the dark gray, and then the tan brown color. It has a nice distressed vintage look in it, and I absolutely love it. This comes down to a perfect length on me, and you can tell that the stitching is very high quality. And this crew neck is really nice. Whenever you stretch it, it still remains in the same shape. This is going to be made with 100% cotton, and it's actually such a premium cotton. It's so soft, it feels amazing on the skin. It's definitely more of a lightweight and breathable feel. And check out the stitching, guys. So nice. The sleeves come down to more than halfway on my bicep, just because it's that oversized look. It's gonna have that baggy style. So I thought the size large would be perfect, and man, I was right. I love this brown because you can wear this with just about anything. I can wear this with jeans, shorts, dress pants. It's even more of like an athletic kind of style too, so I would definitely wear something like this at the gym, definitely lounging around the house or just daily wear. It's an essential to have this, and it's awesome because it comes in a 3-pack as well. This shirt is gonna resist fading, shrinking, and even losing its shape during the wash, and that's something that I do love because I know that this baggy shirt is gonna stay baggy and look good for a long time. You can definitely see how it goes the oversized on the shoulders, and it has that like drop over the shoulder, and I love that look. It looks so cool and definitely gives me that skater vintage vibe, and the distress on this is absolutely amazing. This is gonna be like the charcoal color, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Gonna look good with jeans, shorts, whatever. I'm gonna wear it with maybe some khaki pants or some camo cargos. This is definitely something I recommend to have in your closet. It has such high quality and it looks so good. Go and check out the other colors they have to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.